welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share you how do I study for online classes and make sure you subscribe my channel. Tip number 1 is to write a timetable. I usually write it a week before because my school schedules it a week before. And yes, this helped me to be much more proactive and much more de-stressed. So basically, I was also a person who was much more stressed during these lockdowns in this quarantine period. And I tried out a lot of methods and nothing was much simpler and easier for me. So I tried out the best method, simple method that is being shared in the video. So watch till the end of the video to get de-stressed. Tip number 2 is to get relaxed yourself. I usually get into reading a book or listening to music. I never end up to YouTube or Netflix because you'll never get relaxed because you can't watch a video within 5 minutes and you will end up spending more time on YouTube. You can read a book, you can walk, you can listen to music, and you can do whatever you like. Tip number 3 is to get motivated yourself. I usually end up in Pinterest to read quotes because they are amazingly motivating myself, and I would also recommend you to watch some motivational videos so that you gain motivation. Tip number 4 is to have a quick revision of the topic that you have covered during the last lecture, which will help you also making in notes, and this will also help you in understanding the concept. Also skim through the next part or the next portion of the topic that you have covered because that will help you to take your notes much more efficient. I've also made a video on taking notes neat and efficient, and I think you can also go and watch that video, which will be very much helpful for you. And yes, the link is in the description box below, and make sure you watch it. Tip number 5 is to get organized. Having a messy table like this will never boost productivity, and it's time to clean it. Also make sure you have only the necessary things on your table, like the one I mentioned, the book, the notepad, the stationery items. I also put all those highlighters and extra stuffs into a pen holder. I also use a earphone. Make sure that you have a glass of water. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and this will help you to make your online classes de-stressed. And yes, also like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.